Cavite. Sabi niya marami bang kinilaw? Sabi ko, oo, marami.
Game number 4, 2 out of 24 from the field,
Ang
only
sakit
6
yan.
points. And the first time Danny Segal was held to less than double figures in this conference. The PBA who have scored double figures in every game this conference.
Segal at the line. First shot is good.
Again, ang hinahanap ng San Miguel, yung kanilang break layup. Nakita natin, ito si Danny Segal was doubled.
Oh, what a
That's
shot!
in. Oh.
What a shot by
Ito.
Danny. Working against Crisano. Gets it over to Dorian Peña. Out to Danny Segal for the open shot.
And that's it. Tatlo yun.
Crisano at naghiyawan pa mga tao, mga kaibigan, sa pagkakita nilang tumakbo. Itong si Mark Caguioa papunta sa officials table.
Playing all hard for the Paniquita Lockboy.
Inside pass again for Dorian Peña. And there's a top albol kaseo by Mark Caguioa.
So because of the interior defense, so now hindi nila malama kung saan nila dadalhin yung bola. Imagine Rob Duat getting caught with the ball outside.
Samantala, Mark Caguioa hits pay dirt on a jumper from seconds to go. Nabitawan ni Danny Ildefonso and the Bansa Sounds to end the first quarter of play. Barangay Ginebra with a 2-point lead after 12 minutes of play. Second personal on Dwight Lago. Mark Caguioa comes back into the cheers of the Barangay Ginebra Kings fans as he replaces Ronald Magtulis. Magtulis to Elmer Lago, open shot.
Oh, that's
Masyado
too
malakas.
hard.
Caguioa! And it's back to a 10-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Basket will count to cut the lead of Barangay Ginebra at the end of the... Ildefonso has it. Racela to Danny Segal for the open three-point shot. Yes, that spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Ronald Magtulis picks up his second personal foul. Meanwhile,
wherever you go, sa atin bayan, ito ang pinag-uusapan.
oh,
Hindi muna yung eleksyon, ito muna yung pinag-uusapan.
open shot once again for Olsen, pero di ba, Danny Segal offensive rebound at the putback. Shooting pala, hindi pala active
Pagkakuha
shooting.
niya ng rebound, doon siya na-foul.
Oo. Ayun na si Segal.
He wants it back,
Nako.
partner. He really wants it
Gigil
back.
na gigil.
Nakakuha siya ng foul. Who would have thought that they would play to this level of intensity?
Dito sa labanan ng Barangay Ginebra at San Miguel Beer. Danny Segal at the line. Cuts. Mark Caguioa. Dalabas kay Helderbrand. Helderbrand back to Caguioa. Caguioa decides to go for it. Yes!
Partner,
Naramdaman niya. Talaga ramdam na ramdam ni Mark Caguioa na oras na para siya naman ang gumawa. Loose ball. Abuda. Caguioa! Mark Caguioa now calling the play para sa Barangay Ginebra. They're up by 1 at 55 to 54. Mark Caguioa makes his move!
Oh, yes!
Left-handed shot by Mark Caguioa!
kaliwa yun, partner.
Oo.
What a move! Shake and bake! Para mo nakita si Allen Iverson. Wow!
And a three-point.
Second Conference Commissioner's Cup.
Alright, tingnan natin. Baka pumunta yan doon sa SM Fairview. Oh! Caguioa!
Tatlo yun!
Yeah, it's a PLDT long-distance shot. Ginulat ang lahat. Ayun na, drive na. Layup, ay! Gave it a chance. Maganda yung intensyon ni Jun Libot. Hindi na pumasok ang tira. And so, papasok na tayo.
Free throws, partner. San Miguel Beer, 17 out of 22. And Barangay Ginebra, 10 out of 11.
Doon po sa hindi pinalad. Talagang ganyan.
Caguioa, tubong Mandaluyes. At ang kanyang mother.
Tom Yang Kung. Uy! Caguioa with the rebound.
Grabe talaga yung vertical leap nitong bata na to, no? You see the way he was able to get that rebound.
Berhel Meneses nilabas kay Caguioa. Open three-point shot! By Caguioa with a PLDT long-distance connection. Oh no! Akala ko gumulong na papaloob. Loose ball picked up by Mark Caguioa. Caguioa streaking into the front court. Mark Caguioa tumuloy-tuloy. Pinalpal. Pero merong foul.
Partner, si Danny Segal was fouled on the other end. To that, underneath the basket, it looked like Danny Segal was fouled. No call. Segal was fouled underneath the basket.
And two shots here by Mark Caguioa makes it a three-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. There has been no let-up in the action. Mark Caguioa, three-point shot! PLDT long-distance shot by Mark Caguioa. Tapos Barangay Ginebra On top again by 3, his third spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute, anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Rasa, Sigal!
Sagutan sila, partner.
Another spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Ildefonso off to Sigal again at the baseline. Reverse layup is good by Danny Sigal. And one.
Back to the basket. Hindi ba
Wala.
nila nakita kung saan yung ring?
Walang
Oh,
tulak
watch this
kabigin. Walang tulak kabigin dito sa dalawang koponang ito as you look at the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text. Pero okay lang sapagkat sama-sama po tayo nag-i-enjoy. At labanan po ng Barangay Ginebra at ng San Miguel Beer. What a game this has been. Jun Limpon inside. Out to Mark Caguioa against Dwight Lago. Tumikasa na naman ang throws. That's another PLDT long distance shot by Mark Caguioa.
Another play nila. Low post on Danny. Almost a steal.
Yes, it's a steal. Caguioa. Tuloy-tuloy. Caguioa. 26 points
That's
by
a good
Mark
career
Caguioa
high.
in the fourth period. 85-82. Barangay Ginebra by 3. At sumasaksak si Danny Sigal. As we go to the last 2 minutes. Wag pa rin yung kalilimutan at the end of this ball game, we're going to be choosing our V's.
Check out the turnovers sa ating fourth quarter. San Miguel Beer.
Ildefonso against Banjo Calpito. Danny Sigal!
Ayan na si Danny Sigal. Again, pumutok.
PLDT long distance shot by Danny S. His fourth in the game. And he has a total of 25. 11 of them here inside. Abuda out to Danny Sigal. Sigal puts it up with a jumper. May foul. And it's going to be on Vergel Meneses. That'll be his sixth. An explosive second half.
Oh, that's a big, big miss. Galing none in the second half.
Ito ngayon. Tabla. We are tied at 88 all. 35 seconds.
Strong to the hole. Palagay ko, yan na nasa isip.
O yan na.
Ni Jun Limpon.
Oh! Big block! Double block kasi by Nick Velasco. Ito na. Racela. Open! Open!
Take the
Open! Wala! Wala!
It's out! Oh, that
Oh,
game!
montek na! Hey, Racela bumagsak! Woo! Pinulot ni Alan kay Dick si Bolson Racela.
Pumasok na, lumabas pa!
Kumanod
Oh
lang.
boy, we are into overtime!
Period brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Wala. Limpot para sa offensive rebound. Nalabas kay Caguioa. Caguioa, iniwanan si Sigal. Binigay kay Jun Limpot. Libre. Wala rin. Crisano! Wala. Crisano ulit. Nakakuha na ni Nick Velasco. May jump ball situation. At nakakagulo sa San Miguel.
You must have jumped higher than the one with the inside position.
Mark Caguioa puts it up. Whoa!
Oh!
90 all. All na naman tayo mga kaibigan. Ano ba ito? What? Laban kay Danny Sigal. That's a double team. And there's a steal. Tumatakbo sa Olsen Rosell. Mark Caguioa alongside him. Sigal!
Trail job by Danny Sigal. Ito na, tumatakbo yung San Miguel Beer.
4 na puntos na ang kalamangan ng San Miguel.
Calpito playing hurt, playing defense.
Sigal is open! Wala. Loose ball. Dumayb si Jun Limpot. And there's going to be a foul.
Oh, si
Ooh!
Sigal.
Foul
Pang-anim
down.
na
Anim.
Pang-anim na kay Danny Sigal.
We still have 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining. San Miguel Beer is in the lead by 6. 96-90, but Danny Sigal fouls out of the game.
Kay Danny Ildefonso.
Ildefonso. One-hander! No! Caguioa with the rebound to Calpito. Back to Caguioa, 35 seconds to go. 3-point lead by San Miguel Beer. Baldavid has it.
Tatawag na timeout? Hindi.
Mark Caguioa. Back to Baldavid. Baldavid is up. Caguioa's open! Caguioa's open!
And it's a basket. Isa na lang alamang.
And the pitch to Daniel Ildefonso broken up by Jun Limpot. And he makes it a 3-point lead by San Miguel with 16 seconds left.
Walang timeout na tumawag.
Baldavid, sinalubog ni Olsen Racela. Baldavid pa rin.
They need a 3-point shot.
Mark Caguioa has
They need
it.
it badly.
5 seconds to go. Mark Caguioa, inaagaw ni Mike Muste. Tumira si Mark Caguioa, wala! And San Miguel will take this. San Miguel will take
3-2 lead for San Miguel.
Game 5 A long draw. At narito po ang ating Viva.
It's a night of redemption